What's up? Today I'm going to be discussing the one and only Herta and all for lore. Considering I have so much to talk about, I'm going to split this video into 3 sections. Her lore, her importance in the story, my questions about her. So let's get straight into it. Herta is a member 83 of the Genius Society, which means she is incredibly smart and is, a genius. The Genius Society is basically a group of very intellectual individuals that dedicate themselves to unraveling the secrets of the universe and the gods. These people are all picked by Nous, the eon of erudition, which is a computer that wants to know everything about the world. While I believe the members of the society don't get any kind of special powers or rewards from joining the society, even asked to contribute anything, they can still collaborate with other Genius Society members. Their topic of research collides and they see it fit to work with another, and they are usually seen in a high regard by regular researchers since they look up to them, although they don't seem to really care too much about that. And all the work that the Genius Society's members do, whether they finish it or not, are treasured by regular researchers, since the Genius Society is highly regarded throughout the universe. Herta specifically published the paper on reverse aging and uses the process giving herself a young appearance, which I find really fascinating since she is a human who has outlived the normal lifespan of a human. Even though we made her as a puppet, I would say she's very closed off as we never actually see her in person. And she has a bit of an ego, which is fair since she is a genius and all. But one thing I do really like about her is she still has that curiosity to learn and research what she wants. And this makes her very self-sufficient because she knows what she wants to do and isn't bothered by how other people view her, which is something I really like about her. Now moving on to her importance in the plots, because I feel like I can talk about her all day, but we have to start with the goal of the eon of erudition, Nous. Nous wants to understand everything in the universe like the Genius Society members do. So they brought together a group of like-minded people. The reason why Nous did this is still unclear, but they just want to learn new things and discover forgotten secrets of the many worlds. So Herta comes into the equation because she has created a simulated universe. The simulated universe is basically an exact replica of the real world with gods and paths and all. Her basis for this big research project, which she enlisted the help of the Trailblazer, is to speak with the gods and uncover their secrets. So there are still so many mysteries when it comes to her there, so I am always excited to learn more about her. But I do want to bring up some questions that I have, see if they will eventually get answered in the story. Or maybe I just missed something, but I want to talk about these anyway. So in the beginning of this story, when we play as Kafka, there is some dialogue where Silverwolf says Herta is an emanator of Nous. And I don't know if she was joking or not, although this is never brought up again, so I'm assuming it was a joke, but it does bring up the question, is Herta an emanator? Could she be an emanator of erudition? This might just be curiosity, but also why is she so interested in the gods and all their secrets? What is her ultimate goal? Why does she have Trailblazer puppets in her splashers? And what does that signify for the Trailblazer and their future? All I really want to know is what is the bigger picture, and hopefully in future patches this all gets uncovered and I can find my answer. But anyways, I am super excited for the 5-star Herta, which I'm definitely pulling for when she comes out. But yeah, that's all for this video, so bye.